There's only one available. And this is the one we're riding on.
Yeah. Thank God we took this one before. And they took them out of service temporarily.
Yeah. David, pick it up.
This is a Manhattan-bound Airlines local train. The next stop is Central Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So once we get back, we're gonna hope that Jan and Aaron don't subway surf. Because Marcus is front. Not Marco. It's really big here. Sorry.
Local train. The next stop is Myrtle Avenue, Broadway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is R179.
We've been held by red signal.